we're going to do a search for AC repair in Marietta, Georgia. So I'm actually in my Google Ads account. If you've never done this, you can't really go. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, and you look up just the term AC repair, the results are going to be Dallas, Texas oriented. So you're going to have to go to your Google Ads account. You're going to have to change your location to whatever town you want to look at, and then type in AC repair. So that's what I've done, because I'm actually down in South Alabama. And congratulations, by the way, the TE certified. I remember when this guy started this Thrasher Electric, I was incredibly impressed by him. I guess he still owns it. All of these others are owned by corporations now. This kid he's homeschooled, he's built a great business there. Has a law degree from Georgia too, from what I remember. Anyway, I digress. So if you don't really understand how Google Ads work for AC repair, this is probably $200 or $300 if you click on these ads and then call the guy. It's a pay-per-call model. Atlanta market is going to be astronomical, because it's astronomical everywhere now. It could be more than $200 or $300. As a matter of fact, if you like this video, if you would subscribe to the channel, because I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers. And if you really want to help, and you're in the Marietta market, tell me what you're actually paying for this pay-per-click in the comments down below. I would just love to hear the numbers. We can all have our heads explode together. So now that's a pay-per-call model. They only pay for it if phone rings. I'm sure they get a lot of robocalls, and you have to charge those back, or Google in some cases might charge you for them, but they usually filter them out. So let's see, scroll on down here. E. Smith has been around for years. I don't remember Summit, but they've got, look how many reviews these companies are getting now. If you're new in business, I don't know how you compete on this. I remember when Reliable Heating and Air was in a little building off of Canton Highway over there. Now the last time I checked, they're in Woodstock Road. Incredible how much they've grown. So they are the number one, what do you call this? It's been so long since I've even worried about organic listing. They're the number one organic listing. So let's start at the top again. You pay your SEO guy a lot of money to get you at the top of the search engines for certain keywords. And so for the keyword, if for a person that is in, probably standing on the square in Marietta, they type in AC repair, right there. The number one person is Reliable Heating and Air. If I used a different location, that might change. I mean, it definitely would change. So let's scroll on down. So they're number one in the SERPs, the search engine. You can see they're over halfway down the page. Cool Ray is also there in Marietta. They're gigantic now. Heating, air conditioning, electrical. They call their electrical service a different name. I think that was from a marketing standpoint. That was, at least now, that would be not the way to do it. SD Services, good for them. They must have opened up over on the Marietta side. At least they're getting ranked there. Barrett, I think I remember A-Team. Dr. Cool HVAC. So that's that. Now, let's talk about how you get ranked in the map section, because this is the money shot. E. Smith is located right here in the center. It's probably geo-targeting, the center of this thing, and so it's going to list all the ones that are physically close to it I believe the square, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Yeah, Barrett is a sponsored ad. See the square? They're sponsored to be here. So keep that in mind. These three are here for no charge. This is where most of the clicks usually go nowadays. So if you want to be number one, the way you're going to have to do it is get good reviews. You don't have to have 1,700 to start, but you're going to have to get them at a good pace to show that you're a serious contender in this market right in here. And there's no need showing up for 3.7 stars or something. You might as well find another business to be in. And you're going to have a lot of content on your website that dictates that you are a person that services the Marietta area. I cannot click on here. I'll tell you what, I'll do a second part of this video where we'll go to E. Smith Heating and Air and do a little, study of that website as to why it is ranked so high for not the words Marietta AC Repair, but just AC Repair in Marietta, Georgia. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you need any help getting ranked in an area like this. It is a very competitive place. It is not for the faint of heart. You will have to have deep pockets and a consistent advertising budget to get ranked up there. Talk later.